Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our 85 Blazer, kind of a unique one. Definitely been customized, Rhino lined in, I don't know, fuchsia, purplish pink, whatever you call that color. Custom bumpers, custom grill was made for it, got custom lights. Obviously a custom head or hood with a head on it, or skull or whatever. But kind of unique, runs and drives good. Body's in pretty good shape. I mean, you gotta like this Rhino line. There's a scratch there, and I see a little crack in it right there. Seats have been recovered. So similar to the factory, there you can see the factory seat in the back, and that is the soft top for it. So has a soft top that goes with it. Dash pad's in pretty good shape. Shows 26, 137. So in 126, no longer has air controls, but no longer has air. Four-wheel drive, of course. Center console. Needs the pull handles for this and the trim for the Silverado. Doors shut good. There's a chip right there. Another chip right there. There's the holes if you want to put the Blazer emblems back in. Little chipping on, little fading on the top, which custom tail lights, which for the most part a lot of people take the tops off and leave them off. There you can see the rough country lift on it. Let's see, somewhere about a 4-inch lift probably, yeah. So very unique, very customized. Runs, drives good. Watch my running and driving video. 605-695-7391.